Well, hello, welcome.
Hi.
Join us as we take a walk from the Hotel Cordial Mogan Playa down into town and to the Marina. Let's go. By the way,
Excuse the panpipes.
yeah, apologies for the panpipes. The walk into town is only about 5 minutes, would you say 5 to 10 minutes? It's not far, and it's flat as well. So it's not far into town, we're getting to the edge of town, which is modern. It's about 300 yards we've walked so far, so it's quite a short distance. So after the square area, you get this modern row of shops, not very exciting, but just through there is the beach. So let's go that way. Just to point out, it's got its usual tourist junkie shops, isn't it? But the standards of the other shops are quite high.
Yeah.
Like they're quite smart shops.
Yeah, good shoe shop.
We've got a lot of perfume shops,
Yeah.
high-end shoe shops. Yeah, so the standard is normally, it's not all those beachy tat shops. So now we're going to walk to the right of the bay, over there, and that's where the marina area is. We've driven to a few resorts around the island, haven't we? And we think this is one of the prettiest, isn't it?
I think this is the nicest resort
Yeah.
we've seen so far.
So we're just walking through one of the flower-clad alleyways, and we're going to come out at the marina. Somebody's lunch. we're now going to head back up to the hotel. Like I said, it's only a 5-10 minute walk. And on the way back, Mel's going to look in some of the market stalls. I don't like markets myself. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I went to the Newlands market when I was a kid. And I had some pocket money and I bought two things.
Before.
It was a diving outfit and rubber dinghy for Action Man and a water pistol. And I asked the bloke, does this fit Action Man? He said yes. Got home, it didn't fit Action Man, and the staple of the packaging was through the rubber dinghy, so it's punctured. And the water pistol fired sideways because of a faulty nozzle. That's what I hate about market stalls. They rip off 6-year-olds.
And you've never been the same?
I've never gotten over it. Look at the size of those onions. He's a great sage. And he knows his onions. If you want a scary doll, this is the place to come. Oh my God. I think I'll try one of these. A cactus smoothie. Do they take out the needles?
Leave him for you.
Well, it's dripping in my shoe. Pretty good.
Yeah? What's in there? What's in this smoothie?
Mango, pineapple, orange.
That's quite nice.
Mel's got her eye on something.
I have not. I'm just thinking it's a handy little keyring to have in your pocket.
Imagine being stopped in customs with that in your bag.
You couldn't even fit in my pocket, remember?
Get splinters as made out of wood.
Oh, don't.
So that was the walk into town.
Yes.
Very pleasant.
Not far either.
Yeah. So there's more videos coming up about this Puerto de Mogán. Check those out. And by the way, I don't know if you can hear it if the mic's picking it up. The bloke with the panpipes is still going.
A ray of hope flickers in the sky. It's haunting us.
Anyway, until next time, bye.
Goodbye.